Welcome back Exotic Cars to Enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kia Sportage 1.6T HEV, a hybrid SUV that blends performance, efficiency, and modern design. Let's explore what makes this vehicle stand out. Performance and efficiency. At the heart of the 2025 Sportage 1.6T HEV is a turbocharged 1.6-litre four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 227 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. This setup ensures responsive acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. The hybrid system not only boosts power but also enhances fuel efficiency, making it an eco-friendly choice without compromising performance, design and exterior features. The Sportage's exterior showcases Kia's modern design language, featuring sleek lines and a bold front grille. The available panoramic sunroof adds an open-air feel, enhancing the overall driving experience. LED lighting elements and 18-inch alloy wheels contribute to its contemporary aesthetic, ensuring you make a statement on the road. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious cabin with best-in-class rear cargo space, offering 39.5 cubic feet with the rear seats up and 73.7 cubic feet when folded. The Sportage Hybrid features an available panoramic sunroof that provides an expansive view of the sky for a more enjoyable driving experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the available 12.3-inch dual panoramic displays with navigation, providing intuitive access to entertainment and vehicle settings. The Harman Kardon registered premium audio system ensures your favorite tunes sound crisp and immersive. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Sportage 1.6T HEV. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including a 360° surround view monitor and blind spot view monitor, which displays a live video feed of your rear blind spots onto your instrument cluster when your turn signal is activated. These features work together to provide peace of mind on every journey. Driving experience on the road. The Sportage Hybrid delivers a balanced ride, combining the efficiency of its hybrid powertrain with the versatility of available all-wheel drive. The 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, enhancing overall driving comfort. Whether navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails, the Sportage adapts effortlessly, making it a versatile choice for various driving conditions. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia Sportage 1.6T HEV stands as a compelling option for those seeking a hybrid SUV that doesn't compromise on performance, comfort, or technology. Its blend of power, efficiency, and modern features makes it a standout in its segment. If you're in the market for a vehicle that offers both practicality and excitement, the Sportage Hybrid deserves your attention. For a more in-depth look, check out our detailed review linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Car Enthusiast.